English phrases, past, present, and future. Section 1, Work-related verbs and phrases. I discussed the sprint goals. I am discussing the sprint goals. I will discuss the sprint goals. I plan the sprint tasks. I am planning the sprint tasks. I will plan the sprint tasks. I reviewed the code. I am reviewing the code. I will review the code tomorrow. I implemented the new API. I am implementing the new API. I will implement the new API. I tested the latest feature. I am testing the latest feature. I will test the latest feature. I committed the changes. I am committing the changes. I will commit the changes. I fixed the login bug. I am fixing the login bug. I will fix the login bug. Section 2, Collaboration in meetings. I shared my screen. I am sharing my screen. I will share my screen. I explained the algorithm to the team. I am explaining the algorithm to the team. I will explain the algorithm to the team. I delegated the tasks to the new developer. I am delegating the tasks to the new developer. I will delegate the tasks to the new developer. I collaborated to finish the module. I am collaborating to finish the module. I will collaborate to finish the module. Section 3, Technical phrases. I analyzed the user feedback. I am analyzing the user feedback. I will analyze the user feedback. I optimized the database query. I am optimizing the database query. I will optimize the database query. I prioritize the critical bugs. I am prioritizing the critical bugs. I will prioritize the critical bugs. Teamwork. I organized the team meeting. I am organizing the team meeting. I will organize the team meeting. I talked to the project leader. I am talking to the project leader. I will talk to the project leader. I helped my colleague with his task. I am helping my colleague with his task. I will help my colleague with his task. I clarified the doubt about the client's requirements. I am clarifying the doubt about the client's requirements. I will clarify the doubt about the client's requirements. I delegated tasks to different members. I am delegating tasks to different members. I will delegate tasks to different members. 15 more teamwork phrases follow the same structure. Code development. I finished the system design. I am finishing the system design. I will finish the system design. I reviewed the pull requests in the repository. I am reviewing the pull requests in the repository. I will review the pull requests in the repository. Code development phrases follow the same pattern. Communication with colleagues. I arranged the delivery schedule. I am arranging the delivery schedule. I will arrange the delivery schedule. I asked if my colleague needed help. I am asking if my colleague needs help. I will ask if my colleague needs help. Here is your text with the requested modifications. Relaxation. I made a joke about technology in the meeting. I am making a joke about technology now. I will make a joke about technology after the meeting. I suggested a game to relax the team. I am suggesting a game to relax the team. I will suggest a game to relax the team. 18 more relaxation phrases follow the same pattern. Advanced vocabulary. I validated the system logs. I am validating the system logs. I will validate the system logs. I negotiated the requirements with the client. I am negotiating the requirements with the client. I will negotiate the requirements with the client. Relaxation. I ordered pizza for the team yesterday. I am ordering pizza for the team now. I will order pizza for the team later. I joked that the computer was tired. I am joking that the computer is tired. I will joke that the computer is tired after the deploy. Programming and humor, spaghetti code. I compared the code to spaghetti yesterday. I am comparing the code to spaghetti now. I will compare the code to spaghetti in the next review. Rewards. I bought chocolates to celebrate the delivery. I am buying chocolates to celebrate the delivery. I will buy chocolates to celebrate the delivery after the deploy. Here is your text with the requested modifications. Programming jokes in English. Why do programmers prefer dark mode? Because light attracts bugs. Why do Java developers wear glasses? Because they can't see sharp. Why was the computer cold? Because it left its windows open. Why did the programmer quit his job? Because he didn't get a raise. What is a programmer's favorite hangout place? The foo bar. Why do programmers hate nature? Because it has too many bugs. Why was the developer's desk always messy? Because he kept losing his cash. Why did the programmer go broke? Because he used up all his cash. Why don't programmers like to leave their desks? Because they don't want to lose their focus. Why do programmers prefer Python over other languages? Because it's a snake that doesn't bite. Why did the programmer get kicked out of the team? He had too many unresolved conflicts. Why don't programmers like cooking? Because they are afraid of mixing up their variables. Why did the database administrator break up with his girlfriend? Because she lost all her connections. Why do programmers always confuse Christmas and Halloween? Because October 31st equals December 25th. Why did the programmer go to the psychologist? Because he had too many infinite loops in his head.